Oh, there it is. Let me see the red. Oh, I can't see it yet.
We're gonna torch this right now. Fuck all of this.
Fucking Christmas definitely came in early
shit.
today, huh?
It is crisp.
It's a nice fucking pulley on there.
All of it.
Too bad you're not gonna use any of it.
Like mine now. Go all motor.
No, but the power steering though. What the fuck?
Holy fuck.
And this guy just had it in his fucking storage? That's terrible.
I went and did a storage unit. What's it called? Auction.
Also got the slave and everything on there, huh? Nice.
Did you see the head?
Ooh, look at that. S80.
That's crazy.
Oh, man. It's the happiest day of my life. And it's not even mine. Bro, you're not even opening it fast enough.
I know, I gotta try to get
See
it
that?
off. Oh my god. I need a blade for this wrap. It has a power steering.
No, I know. I seen it.
I didn't even know. So this car can go straight.
Ah, motherfucker.
It's stuck on the mount.
It's stuck on everything. Oh, shit. Nice. Fuck, that's fucking beautiful, dude.
I know. God damn. I might just want to keep the bitch. That's just fucking brand new, brother.
I'm trying to see what year. It says 95 or 9.
I don't give a fuck what it says. Woo!
Damn.
It is beautiful.
Fucking valve cover is
Mint.
mint, dude.
I can't even get it off my hand. I loosened it for you.
Yeah. It smells like oil. Let's see
You gotta
that
drop
shit.
oil in it.
Yeah.
No oil?
No, well, it's good. No, it should be empty.
Oh yeah, but it was,
Like 80.
this is
Look at that.
fuck.
Flawless. Bro, are you sure that won't fit on my on the F20B?
No, okay. I'm positive.
They already changed out to PVC. Damn. Fuck, this is so nice. Probably still has a no. How you feeling right now?
Bro, I'm ecstatic. I'm happy. For the price I got it for,
And how much you get this for?
$500.
$500 fucking dollars.
Ain't not even
A
pay the
full,
guy yet.
even if that's not even really a full swap, I consider it a full swap.
I didn't even pay the guy yet.
Fuck,
I
$500.
forgot my wallet. He was like, just take it.
That's fucking crazy.
He was like, just take it, fool. Just take it. I'm like,
Damn.
score! Why did one of the fucking 80s movies fucking walk away?
One of the 80s movies?
uh,
Oh man.
yeah.
Immaculate.
I'm literally.
Let's see.
I'm thinking just buy another DC.
No, bro. No. This has to go. The engine has to go. You gotta build this.
Maybe we can take it to